Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Well, today we are gonna discuss difference between IELTS Academic Writing Task 1 and Task 2. So let's begin. Writing Task 1 is a visual task. It means there'll be a diagram. It can be a line graph, a bar chart, and so on. Your job is to analyze the diagram and summarize the information that has been given in that diagram. On the other hand, IELTS Academic Writing Task 2 is an essay. It can be an opinion essay, advantages and disadvantages essay, discussion essay, and so on. It means in this task you need to use your own ideas in the light of question that has been asked. In task 1, you cannot write more than 150 words. In task 2, the word limit is 250 words. Similarly, in task 1, you have 20 minutes to complete your question. In task 2, you will be given 40 minutes to complete the job. You should keep in your mind that 1 hour writing time will be given collectively. You will not be given separate time for task 1 and task 2. It's your duty, it's your job. How are you going to organize both tasks? You can either start with task 2 first, or you can begin with task 1. That is completely your decision to take. Another difference in both these tasks is, in writing task 1, we cannot give our opinion, because your main job is to write the summary of the diagram that has been provided. To explain the diagram or to make your point clear in task 1, you can make comparisons or contrasts, but you cannot give your own opinion in task 1. In task 2, on the other hand, you can give your opinion. In fact, many of the questions, they explicitly ask you to give your opinion. For example, the opinion question, it asks you to give your opinion. Similarly, advantages and disadvantages question, sometimes it asks you that are there more advantages than disadvantages. Similarly, discussion question, many times it asks you to give your opinion. The last point is, in IELTS writing task 1, you cannot write a conclusion. Instead of writing a conclusion in IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, we write overall. In fact, if you want to get a good band score, you must write an overall. Overall means you are going to illustrate important points in general terms. Instead of writing the details, or instead of quoting figures from the diagram, you only write 2 or 3 main trends in the diagram generally. This is known as an overview. You cannot write conclusion in IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. IELTS Academic Writing Task 2, on the other hand, it demands you to write a conclusion. In conclusion, most of the time, if there is an opinion, then you try to summarize all the main points that you have made in the last paragraph, and then you add your opinion. So collectively, last paragraph that consists of the summary of main points plus your opinion. In task 2, it is known as a conclusion. So in my point of view, these are the main distinctions or differences between IELTS Academic Writing Task 1 and IELTS Academic Writing Task 2. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Allah Hafiz.